What's up, you guys? It's J Bunny and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because I'm bringing you another drink recipe video, but this time it's for my #1 hot summer day refreshment, and that's an ice cold Arnold Palmer. And for those of you guys that don't know, the Arnold Palmer is a refreshing summertime beverage made famous originally by the golfer of that same name, and it incorporates both iced tea and lemon flavors together, mixed perfectly and sweetened up to create the perfect fusion of flavors to enjoy on a hot summer day. So yeah, you guys, if you're interested in seeing the rest of this video and learning how to make this easily at your own home, keep watching. And I'm gonna start out with the ingredients on what you're gonna need. Everything I'm gonna show you guys can be bought on Amazon, so don't worry. I'll link all of the links down below on where you can find all of these great, yummy, and good for you products. So yeah, you guys, check out the description for that. And let's get going into making this summer drink because I'm getting thirsty. So yeah, you guys, here is my sweetener of choice for this video. It's the organic stevia, and I like it because it's in powdered form. The next thing you're going to need is a lemon. Okay, you guys, so this is the other main ingredient in our drink, and that is the right tea. So to make the Arnold Palmer, you don't want to be using like green tea or like a lavender infused tea. It's super important that you guys pick up some of this, which is black tea, and this one I really love. It has a really great flavor. It's strong but not too strong, and it's just an authentic unsweetened tea. And of course, you guys, we also have our cup and our pitcher to make our final beverage, and you're going to be needing some ice as well, which I have over in my freezer. And that's it that you need to make this fabulous drink. Let's get going into the process of making this drink. I have some water over here boiling on the stove, and I'm gonna bring you guys up close to see what we're gonna do on that next step. Okay guys, so here I have my pot of water. I went ahead and I filled up my pitcher that I'm gonna be using up to the level that I want, up to the top. And then I simply poured that water into here. That way I have the exact measurement that I'm going to be needing. I have 2 black tea bags from the tea that I showed you guys. You're gonna go ahead and put your 2 tea bags into the pot to start steeping for a total of 3 to 5 minutes. So when we talk about steeping, it's simply inserting the bags, getting them nice and wet so that they kind of sink a little bit, and then I'm just gonna take the tags and leave them over here on the handle so that they don't hit the stove. But yeah, you guys, I steep my tea right here in the pot. You can see it's already really turning that water a nice black tea color. We'll be back in 5 minutes to remove these bags.
A few moments later.
Okay, you guys, so here I have my iced tea. It has been steeping for a little over 5 minutes. I lost track of time, but no worries. You're simply gonna take the tea bag, dip it in a couple times, and then let it drain. Let it cool, and then we'll proceed on to the next step. Let's do this.
A few moments later.
So while we're waiting for that tea to cool down, I'm gonna go ahead and take my lemon, and I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. That's it. Now let's go ahead and check on that tea, see if it's cooled down, and get into this next step. All right, you guys, so here I have my iced tea. I just took it out of the fridge. It's still a little bit warm, but it's cool enough that we can put into my glass pitcher without cracking the pitcher. So very carefully, what you're going to do is you're gonna take your black tea and you're going to pour it into your jar. Perfect. So now I'm going to take my lemons that I have and I'm going to squeeze them into the pitcher, making sure to get as much lemon juice as possible into the pitcher. Alright, you guys, so now that that we have both the lemon and the tea inside of our pitcher, the last ingredient we need to add is our sweetener. So to do this, you guys, it's pretty much to taste. I just open mine up to the sprinkle side. So how I like to do this is sprinkle some in, I guess about a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon. And then I take my spoon, and this part is the part where you need to get a little bit more actively involved. So you'll stir it up, stir it real good, and then take a little tiny taste. Good, sweet, but I think I need like one more shake in there. So put in however much you think it needs. If you think it's sweet enough, just go ahead and stop right there. Okay, you guys, so we are at the part of the drink where we finally make it icy and refreshing for a hot summer day. The last thing we need, like I said, is to make these drinks icy. So I'm gonna head over to the freezer, get my ice cubes, and let's fill these cups up so that we can enjoy the true flavor of the Arnold Palmer. I'm gonna try it right here on camera for you guys so we can taste the refreshing amazingness of it together. All right, you guys, so I filled both of my cups up to the top here, and we're going to simply take the lemon tea mixture that we made and pour it over the ice. Wow, it looks so perfect. And here it is, you guys. Here is our Arnold Palmer. Super easy to make at home. All we needed was 3 ingredients plus water and ice. And yeah, you guys, it's looking so refreshing and perfect. I can't wait to give it a try. Let's go ahead and try it right now. Wow, oh my God, this is absolutely perfect. It tastes just like the Arnold Palmer, but so natural and sweet because we use nothing but the most natural ingredients. None of that stuff that the companies put in the preservatives and whatever that you get at the gas station when you try and buy an Arnold Palmer in the can. And yeah, you guys, this is why I love to make this drink at home, is because it's so refreshing, it's so easy, it's so affordable. And it is just literally my favorite thing to enjoy on a hot summer day. So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for joining me on this video today. I hope you enjoyed my recipe breakdown on how to make this drink easily at home. And yeah, you guys, if you try this, please do try and make it at home and comment down below. Did you like it? Did you do any tweaks of your own, like spice it up with some extra flavors or whatever? But yeah, you guys, comment down below if you tried it and you also love this drink. And thanks so much for stopping by another video on my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends. And I'll see you guys on next week's video. Bye, guys.